Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County, south central Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ponderosa Park, or 25 miles southeast of Denver, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour.
This is going to be impacting
Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size
Denver International Airport.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Douglas, northwestern Elbert, and south central Arapahoe counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is from my county.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central El Paso County in east central Colorado, northwestern Pueblo County, and southeast.
Watch, the scroll's going to come back on.
Ponderosa Park, the Pinery, all included. There's certainly
On the bottom of the screen.
Not to mention some rotation, and this is now.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Pinery earlier, where the green and the red are coming together right in there.
Radar indicated.
We got some dangerous storms coming in.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Pueblo, Pueblo West, Pueblo Reservoir, and Pinion. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for east central Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is moving right towards my area right now.